Morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Ratty, and I'm back. I guess I don't even know, but I'm sorry for going MIA. I'll probably do it again, but I'm sorry for going MIA on YouTube. But she's the crest. Today is a spend a day with me, whatnot. I have a couple of plans for today. This is probably gonna include a mini unboxing. And I think I'm going to accompany my mom in town. I'm not sure though, but I just want to bring you guys along with me. Do I have like a set time for things? Like, do I have a set morning routine and stuff? I don't, because the two things that I do, it just happens on different times each week, you know. Like ministry is 24/7, right? Ministry first, obviously, it's 24/7, and school, that schedule is crazy. One time I'll go at 7 in the morning, and one time I'll go at 5 p.m. So yeah, that's why I don't have a set time. We just move with the Holy Spirit. But anyways, without further ado, if you're excited for this video, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let's get into it. It's currently 12 o'clock in the afternoon. That's my mom talking. But I just finished a bit of studying, and then right now I also finished making content. You guys, I just made like, I don't know, I probably made like 5 or 6 videos on TikTok, and then with Instagram I only made 2, I think. I'll continue the rest after. I'm planning to go to town right now, and yeah, I think we're going to buy my brother's shoes, and I'll probably see. I need a necklace. I'm going out with my girls this Saturday. So that's probably gonna be another vlog. I'm going out with them this Saturday, so I need a necklace for the outfit that I have in mind. I haven't even tried it on, but I just need a necklace because I don't have a silver necklace. Yeah, the other one got rusted, so embarrassing. But I couldn't show the clip of me creating content because I use my phone to create the content, but y'all will see it soon. I made so much on TikTok that I had to put this zip up hoodie over it so that I can make more and not really seem like it's the same day, even though it is. I'm in Hydrogen Station right now. The Peter one is another Hydrogen right now. So I have to wait like 20 minutes for another one. But I'm going to Marlborough just to collect some documents from my mom, and then I'll be back. It won't even take long, I believe. But yeah, I ended up going with my black purse from Shein. Yeah. Hey y'all, so I'm at the Marlborough station right now. Imagine the train just left while I was looking at it. Hello. Ooh, look at that eye color. I am waiting on the train. The train left while I was looking at it, while I was coming down from the stairs actually. So yeah. So now I'm just gonna wait another like 20 minutes. I collected my mom's document. And I'm going back to beach right now. I'm so hungry. Oh my gosh. So I will see you guys there. Brown eyes. So I wanna get as I said, I'm going out with my girls on Saturday. So I actually wanna get a silver necklace. But the line seems so long. It's me. Look how cute this is. Oh, these are so cute. And you can also get like the boots. The boots are how much? Let me check. The boots are $2.19. These are so fire. Oh my days. But then the shirt is like $4.20. Like it doesn't make sense. Hey y'all, so I am back home, right? And as soon as I enter my room, guess what I found on my bed? My take-a-lot order. It has arrived. My brother collected it for me while I was in town, so I'm super excited to show you guys. It's not much, it's just like 3 or 4 things, so I'm just gonna set up the camera, get a scissor, and I'm going to show you guys what I got. Okay. Oh, I'm not liking the lighting, but I couldn't find a scissor. I found a knife though. Hold on, let me just reduce this curtain because I'm not liking the lighting right now. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Thank you to Take a Lot. This is not sponsored, but if you want to sponsor your girl, you can't see my address. But if you want to sponsor your girl, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? But anyways, I hope I got the right things. This was standard delivery. When did I order this? I think I ordered this Friday night, and it was only shipped out Monday. So it was only shipped out Monday, and one of the things in here, I was about to cut myself. But one of the things in here is 5 to 7 days delivery. So it really shocked me because they said it will arrive by Wednesday, but it arrived today, which is Tuesday. She texted me this morning like, girl, we gonna be there before 5 o'clock, so you better be ready. Okay, so this is so tiny, so cute though. They put the little thingy in there. So this is what I got. Okay, so first thing I got, they gave me USB to Type C. They gave me USB to Type C. I asked for iPhone. Hold on, let me confirm. I asked for Type C to iPhone. Okay, yeah. I'm sorry, it's taking a lot. I love you so much. They gave me Type C to iPhone, which is what I wanted because y'all, my charger was on life support. Actually, not my charger, my cable for my phone, the original one, was on life support, and I've been having it for 2 years, so it was no longer charging. So I ordered two of them for $130, which is a big bargain, you know. So it's two of them. I don't know how long that's gonna last me, but yeah, it's cool. I got this. I got a moisturizer. This moisturizer actually goes with my face wash. My face wash is Cetaphil, whatever, Pro Acne Prone Skin, and this is the lotion which has SPF of 30. I did not have an SPF at first, embarrassingly so. Excuse my mom in the back, she's on the phone. And then here I have pure aloe. Let me open this for you guys because I'm excited. I need my face to be hydrated. So this is aloe vera soothing and moisturizing gel, which is 99% after sun repair and soothing conditioning. So like, I'm going to use this, I'm planning to use this at night because like it's after sun. I've been out in the day, whatever, even though I had my SPF, but I can recover from this, you know. Actually want to try it now. Okay, it's really wet. I expected it to be thicker, but you know, it's aloe. Ooh, that feels nice on my hands. Oh, that feels fresh. I hope I didn't even do a pitch test, y'all. I hope I don't get like a reaction from this. But it feels fresh. Oh, it feels hydrating. Oh, that feels soft. But I don't know. I will see. I'll update you guys on how this treats me. And this, I'm pretty sure this is gonna treat me well because my mom, everybody. So I was saying, I think this is gonna treat me well because the face wash has been kind of treating me well, but I've been using it for like less than a week even. So using it in conjunction with this, the right thing, because I've just been using Nivea Aloe Day Cream and it doesn't have SPF, so I'm excited to be using the right thing. Okay, whatever. So yeah, that's it. You know, I went to town. I brought you guys along with me. That's how my day went. I think I'm gonna make, someone just sent me a message, sorry. I think I'm gonna make lunch now. Does it even count as lunch at 5 p.m? It's actually breakfast because I haven't eaten since morning. All I had was green tea in the morning, guys. But anyways, I think I'm just gonna make that, and I don't know if I'll even talk after that. But you know, you've been watching since this far, so you've been enjoying. So while you're at it, like right now, comment, share, and subscribe. And I love you guys. Let me get to making lunch. Okay, yeah. Oh, and I'm about to post on Instagram, so head on over to my Instagram at I am Radzi. I'm going to post a post and a reel, and I'm gonna post the third TikTok of the day. Who is this? Miss Consistency. Yes. I do not know. This angle, goodness me. I don't know whether this is gonna be dinner or what. But I'm plating it because I'm hungry. So I made toast. Hey y'all, excuse the lighting, but I'm about to grab now, and then I have a set phone call after this. Don't mind this, but I'm about to grab now. I'm sitting on the floor. I'm about to watch YouTube. Then I have a phone call after this, and then I'm going to refresh, and then I'm going to study and call it a day. So thank you for watching this till this far. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and comment what you'd like to see more of on my channel. Love you guys. Mwah.